Hello, everybody. Welcome to Copycat Web Designs. My name is Felicia Townsend, and I am the owner and creator of Copycat Web Designs. I just want to officially welcome you here to my website. I want to show you that there is a face behind the site. And another video further down the page, if you go ahead and scroll down, I'll be doing a walkthrough of the site. But in this video, I just want to give you a kind of like just a welcome introductory. Thank you for visiting. I hope that I can offer you what it is that you've come here looking for, whether it be an SSL certificate, a website design, maybe Google Maps listings. And keep in mind that we do free website auditing. So the only thing I would need is your website address, and I will shoot you back a PDF with a full website audit of what it is that you need to work on and what it is that you're doing great on when it comes to your website. So again, my name is Felicia Townsend. You feel free to contact me by clicking the Contact Us button above and leaving your email address and whatever services that you think you may need. And again, feel free to check out the website. Just go ahead and scroll around and watch the other walkthrough video where I do like a complete walkthrough of the website and show you all the different features in the portfolio and things like that we have to offer you. So I'm going to go ahead and sign out. Again, thank you for visiting Copycat Web Designs, and I look forward to serving your needs.